Hello guys, so welcome to live trading and backtesting. I will be backtesting my new script, new uh, smart script, I would say. So the sniper one, the 0 day, you guys already know. I have already backtested it, but I might backtest this again today. Let's see. But sniper one is my new favorite model, and this is for AUD CAD, USD JPY, AUD CHF, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. These pairs works really well, and it's a one-hour strategy, so there's no negative RR, and it gives frequent trades. Not only that, really high win rate. It's a mechanical strategy, so you don't have any work, but if you use little bit of discretion, you can even get 87, 88, close to 90% win rate, and I'm not even joking. And let's just backtest that. As you can clearly see, I have added this indicator, right? Smart BS and the buy and sell, and you will get access to this in the pro and also in monthly. But monthly I wouldn't recommend, because any strategy is not worth running a month. You should run for a year to make really good money. What's the use of month, right? So probably you'll be wasting time passing evaluation in a month. Even though I want to recommend that you should aim to pass the evaluation your account, challenge account, very quickly. So in the lifetime access, which is for 11,999, which is, yeah, damn cheap given the work I have put in, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so I will be testing now sniper 1 hour, which is this. There's also inbuilt show win rate column to backtest for you guys. Okay, so when was this? This was June 2nd. Yeah, let's backtest from here. Important, the time frame is 15 minutes, and all the signals should be trade like this buy should be taken based on the trend, which I inbuilt within this indicator, which automatically detects the trend. However, if you have the discretion knowledge of reading the market structure even better, this can works even better. Now then, I'll be just waiting for buy or sell signals. That's it. Okay, there's no signal so far. Usually in London session, this works really well. And here is the session you should avoid all caution. You can take trades here as well, but usually you should be taking less risk. For example, if you're risking $500, in this session, maybe you risk $200. Okay, we have a first sell signal here, where as soon as it comes, we will click on this sell. Obviously, I'm backtesting here. So this would be our first signal sell, and our stop loss would be above these highs. Okay, why above these highs? Because if the market decide to go like that, it's a clear break of structure, right? So we will place your stop loss below these highs, as simple as that. On bonus, I have coded even the stop loss level, right? So a slide line, you can put the stop loss ideally there. So for this, I will be using the built-in stop loss, which is this, right? However, I would like to use this really manually. Okay, so the win rate will increase even more. Now, what is the take profit? Simple, 1 hour is 0.3 hour. Now I will drag into 1 hour. Okay, now let it run. When the sell signal was done, we hit the sell, as simple as that. Now I will hit the forward button. Take profit was hit. So clean, right? So I will click. Wins is 1 for one trade. Obviously 100% win rate. Obviously it will obviously change, right? It's just one trade, and obviously with 1 hour you should win more than 50 to 55% in order to make money. Okay, anyways, so the one trade is done. Let's look for a second one. I will fast run this. I don't want to waste time, so okay, we have another cell here, right? This would be our cell, and the TP would be this high, and then 1 hour. Even this low would be nice, 0.95 hour, which is fine. Let's take profit hit. We involve this short here when the indicator show it to sell. Obviously, I'm in a replay mode, so it's much quicker, but it's a 15-minute time frame. So we have enough time to get there. So it will start showing sell on this candle itself, and then you can sell. So 2 wins so far. We had another sell there. I'll just forward. This would have been also perhaps the winner. Right. Take profits good. Stop loss could be anywhere here, right? Because this was the swing high. You could argue that. This was the 1 hour was hit cleanly as well. So 3 wins. Okay, here we tend to avoid. Okay, there's no trade here. This could have hit the maybe take profit. Not really. But this is the caution or avoid zone. Okay, there is no trade here. Okay, we had the buy here. I accidentally clicked the change this thing. Anyway, without bought there. TP, take profit, stop loss here. Take profit 1 hour. This high would be nice, right? 1.4 hour, which is fine. Let's see. Okay, hit. So another win. So next. Sell looks really good because there's a market structure break, multiple imbalances, right? Fair value gaps. So if there is a sell signal, I would love that. Oh, okay, we did got there. I accidentally clicked, which is fine. Which candle we got? We got here. So I would put the stop loss. And there's a relative equal high, and there's a gap. Maybe stop loss would be here. It's nice, right? This is where discretion helps. And also you can always verify with the stop loss line there. Yeah, stop loss line is saying that. Let's check. This is better in my opinion. So 1 hour would be okay. This support level would be nice, or this low. Okay, I'll put there. Let's see. Almost hitting the stop loss. Okay, stop loss it, which is fine. One loss. But this trade does look really good, right? Because why? Because it was with the trend. Obviously, putting above this would be good. This is why discretion helps. Why I initially was aiming for this stop loss, because there was a clear fair value gap and also relative equal high, right? Let me delete that. There's a relative equal high and there was a fair value gap. Whenever you see this, obviously price comes and takes those liquidity and then might reverse. So putting stop loss just above would always help, right? For example, this low could be nice. Maybe we do hit this take profit here, which is, but it's fine. Since it's a really high win rate, it doesn't really matter. Forward. See, this was exactly my logic. Why I put the stop loss above initially. However, just to check this stop loss line, I put there. So technically it's a winner. Technically it's a winner. right? But let it be. I will put it as a loss. And yeah, if there is any cells here, it looks good. Again, good, right? Because it's a continuation model, not the reversal model. That's why it's easier. Forward. There is no cell signal whatsoever, which is fine. Okay, here we should be little careful. I wouldn't completely avoid, to be honest, but maybe I risk less here, right? We have a cell there. See, I stopped at it properly this time. So 1 hour, this fair value gap is there. This looks good. This stop loss looks good actually. Now we already hit the TP technically because there was a gap here, which is fine. See, gap and hit the take profit. Obviously, our 1 hour would be here, somewhere here. Maybe I risk less in this zone because it's a low probability zone, okay? Where the volume is low, it's a Asia session, nothing but the Asia session. Now, I'll just speed run. I have backtested manually using FX replay, so it is just for you guys to see. Yeah, we have the cell there. So we have the cell there, right? Now, short here. Again, the same issue is here, which is relative equal. No, this high was taken, so it's good. But stop loss there. Debut bit is low perhaps. And let's see. Okay, TP has been hit. So another pin there. Now, let me delete this actually. I'll be always careful clicking this because if I click this, it will just delete everything, right? Okay. There's some market structure break here. I want to see candle body close above this level for potential shorts. Again, speaking from discretionary or maybe long signals. See, that's why I was careful there. Now, if there was some long signals here, I would have been interested, but we didn't get that, which is fine. See, we had a body close here, so we got the inverse or some potential structure break, right? This is the advanced market structure I teach, and that is also liquidity. Now, if I get a sell signal, it's even more hyperbole. Again, I coded everything in the indicator itself, but using the replace of this kind is not bad at all. Sell signal there, I would have sold here. However, stop loss not looking good, is it? Let me click on the stop loss line. Yeah, stop loss doesn't look too good. Wide stops, which is 22 pips. I don't like 22 pips, to be honest. It should be 15, 8, 10, 12.5, 50, like around those zone, right? However, for the sake of backtesting, I will take this trade. Okay, if it's a loss, it's fine. Just backtesting. This TP who looks good, right? This low looks good. So yeah. Again, the issue with forex is it takes long time. That's why I like scalps anyway. But this is my go-to CFD strategy. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, this trade perhaps the break even, I guess. It's dragging on and on and on and on. See what's going on there. Oh my god. Okay, we had another cell here. And I would take this cell. And this should be still on, right? This hasn't hit the TP yet. But for the sake of backtesting, let it be open. Let me take another trade there. Sell was signal there, TP there, TP again this low. 1.3 hour trade, which is fine. Boom, both take profited. That means two winners, guys. Boom, boom. Again, I'm backtesting on A8 cat. USDJP works good, GBP works good, A8 is CHF for the works good on this strategy, and remaining pairs you can backtest for yourself. Okay. So I tested 9 trades for 88% win rate. Should I test more, guys? Okay, let me test actually. Maybe we will finish this month, right? I started from June 1st, I guess. Again, this session is irritating. I wouldn't take any trade this session. And looking at the market, it's bearish, right? So any sell signal is always good for me. Okay, there was a sell signal. Short where this could have been our short. I would put the stop loss here, even though indicator settings survive. Again, relative equilibrium, potential liquidity zones, etc., etc. Maybe this low would be take profit, which I think should hit, right? Create a gap, test this. Okay, it's hit. So damn, A to cat killed this month. Damn, damn, damn. I did take maybe 5 to 6 trades this month on A to cat, but I was much more focused on my live account, my futures account, mostly live account, and coding these indicators for you guys. So anyway, again with one hour strategy, above 50% is damn good. Actual damn good is above 60%, which most traders have, and this indicator is already giving you like crazy win rate, right? Bare minimum 75, even if you take random trades, 75 to 80%, very, very easy. Okay, I'll just fast forward here. How many trades we tested this month? Okay, there was a sell there. Again, this is tricky. Just end of the session, right? So I would probably avoid. Well, probably that was a good idea to avoid with the stop loss, right? Now the market structure is slowly shifting, right? So I'd love some buy here, especially after session value injection. Market structure is probably bullish. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. So finally some buy trades potentially. Let's see. And if you buy lifetime, I will be explaining in the masterclass videos how this strategy actually works. So you can even execute manually, you know the mechanical settings behind this strategy, okay? Okay, buy the okay, couple of buys, which is really nice. However, the stop loss is issue because there was imbalance here. If there's multiple imbalance like this, I wouldn't put stop loss in this imbalance. Okay, so long, average long. Let's say we took 2 trades. Average long is here, and stop loss here. I would trust the indicator because of the imbalance, and put on 1 hour here. 1 hour should be good. Okay. Let's see. Obviously, if we see candle body closing below this imbalance, that means we have an inverse fair value gap. You can close this trade at a less loss. Okay, again, not necessary, but this is what experience and little bit of manual discretion really helps. Okay, My God. Okay, let's see what happens here. I am curious because again, this strategy is based on the trend, right? Whenever there's a downtrend, uptrend, the signal looks really good. Whenever there's a little bit consolidation, meh. So let's see. Okay, we're testing this imbalance. Okay, yeah, we're definitely hitting this high at the least. So again, if you get to it, oh my God, yeah, nice take profit hit. Another way to work this strategy is, for example, take a fib tool, right? Take a fib tool, and then from the signal to here, you can draw the from your setup, you can draw the Fibonacci tool and put a 0.2575 level. As a take profit hit 0.25, you can drag your stop loss to break even. Okay, okay, that was a break even, something like that. Anyways, now then, again the buy looks good here, multiple imbalance, but it's a little bit big, so might fail that imbalance, being honest with you. But let's see. If it's massive bullish market structure, testing the imbalance, and also indicator for some buys or sell, that's also good. All see, boom. Again, I have back tested so much of years of data. These things I just remember back of my mind. Dun, dun, dun. Wait a second, we didn't put the win for this, right? Okay, and this high maybe forward. This might hit the head. I'm not keen on this trade for some reason, especially this trade. But signal is a signal. We are back testing whatever, right? Mm, actually put the stop loss here only. 1 hour would be this. I would risk less here. This looking messy, right? This was clean. If I risk 1000, I would be risking 500 maybe. Let's see how it works out though. Forward, right? Okay, there are multiple cells there, which is fine. We are in the long trade, so let's just ignore that, or maybe take a sell as well, because let's backtest the proper data, right? And stop loss would be some high. 1 hour would be this low. Let's see. Remember, we are in 3 trades. This is really interesting. This is how you backtest objectively, right? This is why I sometimes disagree. People say backtesting and live trading differentiate, and in the live you will have maybe 5% less win rate you backtested. But if you're being objective, that's not really the case at all. Forward. Okay, which is fine. The stop loss hit for the sell, but we did took the longs. Let's see what happens. We had another buy there, which I will. Wait a second. This take profit has been hit, right? See, so that's a winner, and I'll put another loss for this buy. We have a sell here, and this is 1 hour. sell, sell, sell here. This should be stop loss, this should be TP. Again, I'm actually aiming for 1.5 here. 1.5 aiming and then 78 already is damn good, right? Forward. If I aim just 1 hour, that's probably over 85%. Forward. Okay. Okay. Take profit hit and the stop loss hit. Remember, we also took this buy. So that was loss. We also took this sell, which was take profit, right? Now let me go forward. Okay, there was a sell that I didn't even see. Anyway, probably less is because it's the end of the session. But let's just take this shot and go forward. The TP has been hit. Okay. Right. We have opened the another session. This day we had no signals on Thursday, June 18th, which is fine. Okay guys, it's I will stop the video now. I will pause it and I will come back because it's already 3:59. In 1 minute there's trading session going on. So okay guys, I'm back. Just took a 5 seconds call for a nice $257 profit. That was just 1 minute, so I couldn't able to risk my usual $750 or whatever. But anyway, so where were we? So we took 17 trades, 13 wins, 4 losses. It's awesome, guys. There's no work at all. 76% win rate so far, and it's 19 February Friday. So forward, let's see what the indicator gives. Okay, one buy here. We could have bought there, right? Why I'm shorting here? Long here. So it's saying stop loss here, but that's just too much. Just measure with the swing low 7. This should be good. And then the 1 hour. Okay. Damn, there was another buy. So that's 2 trades literally. Okay, I can't copy why. Long here, right? 1 hour. So these were the 2 trades. But let's see what happens. Boom, 2 wins like that. So good. I can see with the trend buy signal, with the trend sell signal. So if you could read the trend and then position according self to it, it will be even better. Wait, there was a sell there. So I'll put this sell here. And TP ideally would be this because that's the breakoff structure. However, these liquidity sweep are not clear. I haven't even swept clearly. So I would give it a little bit of room. So this should be 8, maybe 10 pips, 10 should be good. To 9.7, 10, right? And that one now, this logo looks good. It's 1.5. 1 hour was already hit actually, so it's technically a winner. But I will force it to hit 1.5 because whatever, it's fun. Actually, it's a win, guys. But forward again, 1 hour hit. See, 1.15 hour hit. So it's a winner. See again, these are discretion boards. If you get the body close below, then we are bearish. We did. All TPA has been hit. Are the winner. We're back at 80% win rate now. This is the actual trading challenge, right? This is why this indicator really helps. You don't need much time. You just need to know how to read the trend well. It's not even needed technically because I have quoted everything. And any strategy, let's say you have got like a, let's take this strategy, 85% win rate. 15% of the time you will be loser, meaning out of 100 trades, there will be 20 trades which is losing. That those 20 trades could come in a chunk. You can actually calculate this, how many potential losing streaks you will get with this strategy. Just asking the AI or something. So that's what you should be ready for, and that's just the trading for you. Now that forward. Okay, sell again. Probably 1 hour is hit actually. Right, 1 hour would be this. This was hit actually. We put the sell there. The 1 hour was hit. Win. I just fast forward, guys. Other sell. TP hit as well. See, this would have been your sell. This would be a stop loss. So another win. Maybe I should stop. It's been a while. I don't know how much long I have. Anyway, I will do maybe a couple more, or maybe finish this month. Let's see. Other sell again. This is in the session, so I would be with the less risk, right? Here is the gap. I would put a stop loss somewhere there. Then the 1 hour. People hit. What? Maybe I need to speed up this video or something. Okay, where is the next signal? I mean, there was the cell there. Right, this candle was the cell. Stop. See, it's a little tricky. Okay, 12 pips is good. Yeah, backtest for yourself. Maybe these are the setups you avoid because the indicator is saying 26 pip stops. Forward. TP hit. So this month so far already 24 trades given with the 20. Yeah, imagine the amount of money if you just say to make it simple, right? Put the text. Let's say you take 1,000 risk, which is very much possible in the funded account scenario, right? 1,000 per trade, and you lose $4,000 loss, right? And you have won 20, which is $20,000 profit, and the net is how much? $16,000. This is the power of live account. This is the power of funded accounts, right? Just blindly following these signals. You saw me backtest. 83% win rate, 20 wins, 4 losses, right? Of course, this month's been great, but yeah. So that's it, guys. I will stop now. So we have come to today date, right? 23rd. Yeah. So far it's fired 20 signals, right? 24 signals, 83% win rate. And you can also do it on USD JPY. All works in the same way, right? So for example, USD JPY, there's so many buys with the take profit, with the trend, all take profit, sell, for example, all would have been hit massive take profit, right? See, TP, 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 this would have been a loss, TP, TP, buy would have been winner, winner, 1 hour, again, winner, loss, win, massive win, massive win, massive win, right? You can practice for yourself with it. Overall, it gives stats like people just stack data after data, and if you use a little bit of discretion, that's always great. Anyway, these are all the back tests, right? We practiced it a lot, and obviously you can get this on tools.weight.zone. Tools.weight.zone, remember guys? And this is this is what I recommend everyone, because you will get two indicators. One I showed now, other one is ZDP. It's a negative and one model which I uploaded on the YouTube already. And if you had to this indicator, you can trade futures, you can trade CFDs, right? And you can also, on the other hand, you got so much time, you can also work on improving the skills, learning about a little bit of price action to read the trend, right? So yeah, this is what would I recommend. And if you want me to coach yourself one-to-one, and this is for you, okay? I'll obviously increase the price because I can't handle, I have to put my valuable time every weekend, right? Two classes, one classes, 1.5 hour, 1 hour, connecting one-to-one with the Google Meet, and literally hand holding you to profitability with all my strategies, manual strategy, discretion strategy, my swing model, my 5 second scalp model, right? In this video you will also see me executing 5 second scalp model, which I will only teach here, right? That's extremely profitable. It's completely mine, so I don't want to like just put it out there. So that's why I put it on this the elite. But this is damn, being completely honest, this is enough guys. If you truly want to connect with me and you're damn serious, obviously I'm willing to help. You will get my WhatsApp access, right? Everything. You will also get a profit strategy where you could easily pass with the one trade. Yeah. And one more news is GFT at Blueberry giveaway is this week only. I've been dragging it on a lot. So make sure you participate in the GFT giveaway here, and also Blueberry giveaway, okay? Just click the below link and it's all good. That's it guys. See you soon in the next video.
I breached multiple funding